Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another tutorial video. This video make for a review. I already make this video. So now I review this site. After I introduce my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Crypto and Travel. Has two part. One part crypto related video uploaded in this, and the other part travel related video uploaded in this. If you get any information in crypto and travel, please stay with me and keep watching my video. I hope you will join my YouTube channel and you will all receive information every day. First of uh, uh, it's investment for related video. So if you stay with me, you will get all information about this crypto related, and you can earning every day from this site. I try to share with you for safe investment and safe and trusted site. So don't worry. You, if you follow me, you will be able to more income in the site. Most of the investment site are not secure for long time. So if you want to investment and profit from this in this platform, you can always time watch my video. Okay, now I review about this site. This already I make by this site. This site name is Fluxon. Okay, already I was make this video. So here is a info all information to I share you know, how to create this video. I already make this. So you must be watch this video, and if you want to have any question, please must be comment my video description box. Okay, so now I show you the some information about this site. So Fluxon site is in, international investment site. It's a digital investment and a digital currency use method. So Fluxon is one of the exchange site. So it was came to 6 months ago, and it's stay now, and every day he also try to pay to every member uh, in every day. So you can also now investment in this site always time follow the some method company rules. So you want to easy the follow them their rules, you can more earning about this site. Fluxon also give to profit share in every people highly. So if you investment in this site, you get highly profit from this site. So and they also give some signing bonus, team bonus, and also investment bonus, and also give the new investor profit. So lot of option here. So if you investment in the site, you will be um, get more profit from this site. And they also pay to every member in this proper time. They also pay to 24 hours to 72 hours. Okay, so don't miss out, you must be join this. Here is some recharge plan. Okay, so you can choose $10, $50, $100, $300, 500 and $1,000. So I hope you must be use this platform. Okay, they also receive their dollar within TRC20. Okay, so now I show you my receipt payment. Okay, so here is my receipt payment also. And also I received my Bybit deposit. Here is show here my deposit deposit confirmation. And now show is some dollar. Here is some difference, $11, and some show here some cent. Okay, different because of they also cut off some commission fee, transaction fee from your withdraw balance. Okay, so don't miss out. I already show you this side pay to every member. I received this my payment within 2 days. Okay, so you also every member also receive within 2 days most of the time. Okay, now how to show you my wallet address. Here is my receipt of receive this dollar. So if you want to join this site, you must be follow this video. Okay, as show all information I share it. First off, you come to this my link. Okay, after video watch, then you come to this option. Here is a registration link. I also show you. And now I also show this video joining link in my new this video. Okay, so, and I also add this video in my tab option. Okay, so no pop-up menu, so no, don't miss out. Now I request you, please you must be join this and everyday earning from this. Is it quantify option? You must be work in quantify option. Okay, it's working. Here is some VIP plan here. You must be lock your when you deposit this site, you must be lock your of deposit. Okay, when you deposit this, click this option, it will be locked. Okay, must be lock it, and everyday profit out from this site. If you more deposit, you get more earn from this site. So don't miss out. I hope you will join now in this site and more earning. What's the comment of this video, please.